Hey, if you want to test your microphone on the Windows 11, all you have to do is just to click on the Start on the taskbar, then click on the Settings. Next, we'll have to navigate into the system on the left side, then go into the Sound. From here, we'll have to go into the Input Devices and select the microphone that you want to test. I'm gonna do this for the first one. Then we'll have to click on this arrow, and from here, we can perform the test of our microphone. So now we have to select Start and talk or play audio at normal volume for at least few seconds. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 microphone test on the Windows 11. Then click stop. And as you can see, we can find the result, 18% of the volume, of total volume, and it actually means that my microphone is working properly. When I click on the start, I can also see that this thin line, there's like covered with the big line, and it means that it is actually working properly. So yeah, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.